All right, guys, today we're gonna be working on that, but first gotta make room back here. So this truck currently is 4.8 intake headers, stage 4 truck cam, Brian Tooley. I'm taking the headers off, intake off. Oh, look, I have new motor mounts. What about this side? This side will look new. Intake's off. Now I'm gonna start well, I already started pulling off the wires on this side. Pull off the wires on this side, then I'm gonna get on both the headers, then I'll lift the truck up, and then I'll get them out from under. Couldn't figure out what size it was, but an 18 fits. Too big, but the bolts are loose, so it'll work. Headers are completely out. The white pipe is still in there, but it's welded down there, so it's also that off. But that can wait. Now we just gotta start test fitting everything. So this log manifold is what we're gonna be putting on it. Hopefully it fits up nice right there. We'll see right now. Fit up. This is gonna be in the way. This is gotta get these routed this way. Basically the same thing we had to do with the on-3 kit. We'll get it all figured out right now though. Shouldn't be too bad. Get this whole bended down. We'll see right now. Looks like it's gonna work out pretty good. Let's see this ching ching spinny thing. Yeah. Yes, sir. All that for this. We got first trip. We got as much done as we could, but now we need bolts, V-bands, pipe, and all that crap.
Yup.
And food.
First trip of the day for miscellaneous things.
Can we pick up bolts?
Connect.
Bolts? Whoa, dude. So advance with the bust. We found both. We couldn't find the nuts, so we're just gonna go to Ace and try to pick some up over there. All right, we're gonna try Ace since Napa was a bust. We just showed up. We already found the ones we needed. Way better, faster. Little far drive, but how's he kind of tell?
If you don't know, you're like, oh shit, it's still.
Oh, your beer.
Be careful, man.
All over it.
Alright, I got some 324s inside. Barrilitos, you know. Connect.
I'm gonna put that in. So he has a turbo 5.3 Yukon. We're turboing this, and he's saying he's gonna beat this. I don't believe
Easy
it.
work.
Easy work. Nah. My brother likes huevo de toros.
Ya que.
Anchorage mounted. Don't get too close, cause yeah. We just got done working on Joe's truck. And they hit us up about coming to the track. Yeah. Yeah.
They hit us up. They invited us.
So we came. This is gonna be the ending to that video. About to get hit.